Good morning, good morning, good morning! Okay guys, it's time for a brand new paper collection that I designed, and it's called Roaring Twenties. Let's get in. Okay, first of all, I like to show you, I tell you, there are 78 sheets in this total pack. 12 double-sided, 6 sheets each. 170 gram. I really like the thickness of these papers, and it's A4 size, 21 by 29.5 centimeters. And of course there is also a cover, and the back of the cover is also to be used. So I am gonna make some sets with these, and this is already a little peep on all these papers. So I'm gonna make sets of these, and that's each one, so that will be easier to work with. Okay, stay tuned. And there I go, I have 6 sets. So when you follow my tutorials, I always tell that I'm gonna go on my next set and all that. So that is what I talk about. There's one set, this is one set, 13 sheets, and this is the complete one set, 13 sheets, so 6 times. Alright, let's get into these beautiful papers. Okay, first of all, how do I get to this theme? Somebody sent me an email, a beautiful friend of mine living in the United States, and give me the tip on doing this kind of vibe, and I was curious how and all, and I even watched 2 movies to get in the vibes, because I'm not from the 1920s, but I do love all the bling bling and the feminine girls and all with it, and I love the movies and I really get into it. So, but yeah. So this is the results. Let's get in. Okay, first of all, the cover. Yeah, I chose these 2 girls, so you still can use them to cut out even you can use the title, Roaring Twenties, you still can use. There is a little yellow car that's from the movie Gatsby. I really like it, so that's a little bit. So you will see right now that there is a yellow part, a blue part, and a black, brown, cream color, beige part. I really love this combination. These 3 colors really does it for me. And so let's go to the back. So the back, I used some lace, and this is, yeah, some beige, a nice beige creme color. Very easy to be used. You can use it this way or this way, so it's easy to use, and that's why I love to use it for the back of a cover, because there were 6 pages of it, and I'm not going to use six of these, but yeah, I really like this method that I used before. All right, let's go to the next one. Yep, one of my favorite cut apart pages that's in this collection. Look how these are the square ones. Oh, amazing, I love it. So it's a nice beige background with these golden frames around it, and the same thing with here. Love it. And now you have here the cars, good old times. Love these images. And this you actually can use for wedding card or a wedding album. It is possible. This is, yeah, something from the movie Mr. Gatsby. Love it. And then we have at the bottom some more square ones with gorgeous ladies. I love the vibe. Absolutely stunning. And then the back, we have the, yeah, a little, how you call it, this color? A mustard. It's not yellow, it's not brown. I call it a mustard beige color, I think. I really like this design. It's totally different than I would normally use, with all the flowers and all the easy peasy going, but I really like it. So yeah, hope you like it too. So this is I have no idea how you call this design, but I like it so much. Alright, then we go, let me put it this way. Then we go to the next page. Here I used all kind of quotes, like she's a funny old bird, big cheese, beat it, time to drink champagne and dance on the table, I see it all. Flappers are the new woman, when the roar wasn't loud enough, let's misbehave, you can't find your seat here but your place is on the dance floor, and on and on and on. So yeah, I really go on Google to find some quotes, some sentence that fits with this collection. So that's where I got the inspiration from. And again, some mustard beige brown background. We like it. Very easy to be used. Well, not this way, but yeah, I really like it. And then the back, the same color, but then this design. Let me show you close. Normally people say that my papers does not do his justice on camera, but only when you get it in your hand. So blessed with that information. So thank you so much that you give all that feedback to me. So I do my best to show it on camera, but yeah, people say it's in your hands, it's so much better. But I think that that's always the case. Then we go to the next one. I did add some flowers in. What's a collection without a flower? No. Here I try to accomplish the gold mustard color back again. Same with the black in the back. Oh, I like this one. So cool with all the little flowers and details. Love it. The back, we have that color beige color back again. We have some lace at the back, and then these leaves at the front is nice, makes this nice design. So cool and so easy to be used. Also this direction if you want, but it's supposed to be using this direction, but you can do it anyway. So cool. Then we go to the next mustard collection. So this one is a pretty light one, but still it has a very nice design. Look at this round one and the square ones. I really like it. So the background is nice, solid beige, and then you have that mustard color with this very easy to be used design. And then the back, whoa, yep, there is some busyness in this also. Really like it. Same color combination, the black, the mustard color, the beige, cream color. I like it. Cool. I like it. It's really with this theme. So cool. Alright, then we go to the next cardboard sheet. Now we come to the blue tones, the blue colors. And here I used all of these flapper girls, these 90-20 girls. Really like it. And they are all very adorable. And I gathered some lines with it that's not supposed to be only for the Roaring Twenties, but just some nice quote. So push yourself to be great. Yeah. Be your own sparkle. Never ever have enough sparkle in your life. Lovely you. Depends on every woman on earth. Then you have these flappers. Oh, this one. And then make yourself a priority. Always put yourself on first. Well, not always, but you know what I mean. And then be you. And then we have love yourself. Always. And then beautiful. Beautiful in every possible way. I need to have it a little bit closer to my eyes. And then you got this. Yep, you got this. I got it. And then at the bottom, I hope you can see, there is a nice strip you can cut out. I had some space left, so never ever I will lose space. So I added a nice strip that we can use. So cool. Love this page. Let's go to the back. Here we come to the blue ones. Again, there is some lace at the back. The background has some lace, as you can see right here. And then I used all kind of quotes again and some little images like Music and Fashion, or A Little Party Never Killed Nobody, The Great Gatsby, 1920, Roaring Twenties, Jazz and Dancing, You Can't Live Forever. Here is some, It's Never Too Late to Be Whoever You Want to Be, and all kind of. So I really like this. I will adore this page, and you can use it this way or even this way. All the lyrics and quotes are gathered in all kind of directions. Okay, let's go to the next one. This I also very love. This one. This was actually my first page that I made, and I used this page to gather all the colors. For the blue and the beige and the mustard color, I use this page for this one. I really like it. So it's flowery, but still it has some ornaments in it, and I really like it. Did I tell you that I really like it? I love it. And with this one also, you can use it in all kind of direction. And I think also this will be perfect if you only use strips for this one. Absolutely stunning. And then the back, a nice solid one with the blue and again the lace and the leaves design. I really like it. Yeah, I tell you that too many, I know. Then there is a lighter solid one with the same design as we have with the mustard color, but then this one is in blue. Easy to be used, very cool. And then we have some darker one with all these little, well actually these are these little flowers, I don't know, but I really like it. But if you put it in the distance, it seems like little dots. But if you get it inside, closer to your head, then you will see all the little details. Love it. So yeah, I really like some dark pages with this too. Then we have again a lighter one. Nice beige color at the back and a very solid design with the blue one. And then we have wow, we have a big one, and now I noticed this one is the small one for this one. Oh, I think I did. Okay, I see it now. Alright, so we have this one, this design. Love it. It's almost like diamond kind of a piece. I don't know, but I really like it. If you put it close, all the details are absolutely stunning. Alright, so we have this one, and oh, of course we need to go to the next one. Alright, then we have the third cut apart sheet. All kind of cards on it. So we have, let's say, a day without laughter is a day wasted. Absolutely true. It's never too late to be whoever you want to be. I love this one. So cool. Not that good to be seen, but it is. So cool. Fashion, fads and film stars. That's absolutely that period of being. Then we have some stamps, that little ones right here. So cool. So if you cut these out with along here, then you have some little stamps. Then we have some 4 ones, small ones, Roaring Twenties. I love my past, I love my present. Memories last a lifetime. Beautiful as always. And then we have again some square ones. Again, some beautiful ladies. And then at the top, at the bottom, I had some space left. So here we have some little labels, memories, ticket, index, no 12/9, cinema. So there are just little extras that you can cut apart and put everywhere you want. Then we go to the back, and here we have kind of the black session. So it's the same design as we did for the first one in the mustard beige color, but then this is the black version. Love it. Easy to be used. Then we have this one. Yeah, this it is kind of mustard beige color, very easy to be used. Love it in every direction. You can also use these in little strips. Let me put this closer so you can see also what I mean. You can use only this little piece right here to make it a strip, but also you can make a 2-layer one. Easy to be used, guys. Love it. And then with the back, yes, of course, we have this one too in the black and white. Well, it's not completely black and white, it's very dark anthracite gray with a cream color. But this is the same as I showed you before, but then in this color combination. Oh, adorable. And then we have that also with this one. Could not resist using this one in this color combination. Love it, love it, love it. And the background, this is the easy one that we also have in blue, but done in black. Easy to be used. Then this one, it really Gatsby 90-20 Roaring kind of a vibe, in my opinion. I really like it. And so I hope you like it too. In this color combination. So cool. And then the back, yes, okay, I could not resist making a nice stripe paper, and this is really something. So I'm gonna put this close because further away you will see, okay, that's a nice stripe, but if you look close, I hope you can see it, look at this design. Amazing. I love it. It's so cool. And you also can use this as nice strips for strips. I really like it, but I'm gonna show you during the tutorial. So, well, I'm gonna tell you that, but I have no idea what I'm gonna make. So, what do you think of this Roaring Twenties new paper collection from Scrapqueen Designs? 2024. Yeah. Okay, well, I hope you liked it and wondering what I'm gonna make. Then stay tuned. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Give me a big thumbs up if you like these papers. Yeah. Oh, so cool. Can't wait to start.